Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Keocam is a new piece of wearable tech designed for personal security and safety. It's arriving later this year and is kind of like a dashcam, recording continuously in a loop when turned on. And says CEO Brian Pemberton, in the event of a dangerous or emergency situation, it can upload video and send alerts.
So you're, for example, commuting on public transport to your office, and you spend an hour on the commute. It's always recording in a loop, so if something happens to you, you capture that and you can go back 1 minute and we'll send everything up to the cloud.
For safety, the camera is smaller than a law enforcement type body cam and is clipped on using a strong magnet. Find more at Keocam.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.